We're just going to do a quick little update on the broad beans today, and hopefully yours are starting to germinate. One thing that I didn't cover last time was actually how we need to protect these from the frost as seedlings. So mine are literally just starting to come through the soil, and then on other pots you can see where the soil is starting to break and being pushed up, where they're about to come through. Although the broad beans are going to be hardy once they're outside and not need too much covering or just a net, as we discussed before, as seedlings they are going to be that little bit more vulnerable. So it is going to be a really good idea to cover them up. Don't forget as well, a frost can happen at anywhere from +3 Celsius and below. So you are going to want to protect them on nights where it's that much clearer and starry, but it is still that little bit warmer. And then the options that we have here really is just to use some cheap covers or some more expensive ones to pop over the trays, or you can grab yourself some frost cloth like this and try and actually make sure that it's not sat directly on the leaves. Particularly if there's a hard frost, then it can still stick to the leaves and cause damage as well. So at that point you'd want to try and put some upside down pots or something just to hold it off of any foliage. If yours has a little vent on the top, then just close that one as well. And then ideally we will take these off during the day and let plenty of air get to them. But this should be adequate protection and all that they need at the moment. If yours aren't starting to germinate yet and you're getting a little bit worried, it is worth checking the bottom of the pot. I don't know if you can see it there, but we have a root sticking out the bottom. So often before we'll see any sign of life at the top of the pot, we will actually see some roots, particularly with broad beans where those roots are really big and thick. This is really the same rule with any seedlings, that we are going to want to offer them a little bit of protection and try and make sure that the frost doesn't actually touch the leaves. If you are concerned about any of your plants outside, then I will link a video into this that I've done previously, which talks about which plants are going to be fine with a frost and which plants are going to want protection or harvesting at this time of the year as well.